All right, this is Alex with Hanksters, and we're here today with a new arrival. This is a white with chrome accents, ROM-400. And this is a 8.5 by 24 foot length on this one. We'll go ahead and open it up. You've got these handles on each side here. You can kind of open one, wedge it, and then go grab the other one, and it opens right up. That's a nice thing to have for loading and unloading cars. This fender comes out, and there's a nice little step there for ease of getting in and out. We'll go ahead and open the ramp door in the back. This one's pretty basic on the interior. It's just got the wood interior. You've got the fold out ramp extension here. And of course you've got your side door, a little holder on the bottom to keep it open. And we'll go ahead and take a look inside. Like I said, this one's pretty basic. If you're just looking for a trailer to haul cars, this one doesn't have any fancy options. It's just the particle board style interior with the open aluminum roof. And it's got the manual vent up top as well. You got your 4 D-ring hooks on the floor for securing your load. And you do have LED lights along the sides, both front and rear. And those work off main switches, one in the front and one in the rear. And this is your typical garage door style door with the spring and the cables. And that should about wrap things up for this unit. Always feel free to reach out to us online via email or phone call. The phone number is 724-471-2975. And remember, if you are looking for something that we don't have currently in stock, we can always do custom quotes and get you quoted on a trailer that you might be interested in. And one last thing, we do have a sale going on. It's $1,500 off any in-stock trailer until the end of the month of June. So, thank you.